if you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and relaunch it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that both Rocket League and your gaming platform PC console are updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for bugs that may cause loading problems. Step 3. Clear cache. For PC players, clear the cache by navigating to the game's installation folder and deleting the cache folder. For consoles, you can clear the cache by restarting the console or performing a hard reset. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This will ensure that you have a fresh copy of the game, free from any issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue and enjoy playing Rocket League again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.